Hi, my name is Jo Robertson and I'm Education Director at Wonderful Brands. Today I'm going to take you through the yellow range. Within this education hub you are going to find many resources and videos that you are able to dive deeper and understand the products more specifically. First of all, I'm going to take you through the range itself. We have 80 permanent shades that are all intermixable, and you're able to make a demi-permanent within our range as well, which means that you don't have to stock two different ranges. You don't have to stock a permanent range and you don't have to stock a demi range. All you need to do is use the tone on tone creator, and that will transform your permanent colour into a demi-permanent colour. We also have Bond Hero, which is our version of our Plex, which helps to make the hair stronger. By using this in just one application, the hair will be 86% stronger by just adding a few drops of this into your product. There is a video explaining all of this. We have some really clever things, some protective scalp oil that will help to soothe the scalp. We have some no downtime treatments as well. We have our peroxides, our bleaches, and also our care range. So we're offering a full comprehensive range within yellow. Now the tubes of tint are 100 ml. So they're an amazing size. So really good value for money at 100 ml. We also have our peroxides that work harmoniously. Now for us, it's really important that we reiterate these two products work together harmoniously because they both have the same ingredients in there. So we have the argan oil and also Alotrix. Argan oil is a precious oil which smooths the hair cuticle down, increasing the shine on the hair, and the hair just feels incredible. The Alotrix is a mix of wheat proteins which strengthen the hair fibre, and also aloe vera, which is fantastic. So if you've burnt your skin in the sunshine, you would put aloe vera on there to soothe it and to put moisture back into your skin. That's exactly what the Alotrix does. It strengthens and moisturises the skin. So together we've got the most amazing ingredients, as well as a UV filter. So we've got a UV filter that's working on the outside of the hair with the argan oil as well. So for people that have never used yellow, it really does make a difference. You can tell when you've had a different colour on your hair. You can tell the shine. Your clients will notice as well. So that's one of the reasons that we fell in love with yellow, is just because of the longevity of the colour, the shine and the condition. We deliver the pigments into the hair using a micropigment delivery system. What that actually means is that the molecules are tiny, tiny molecules that enter into the cortex. Once they enter into the cortex, they all attract themselves together and form longer chains, which means then that the colour can't actually come back out of the hair because of the long chains. It's also got a low ammonia content, so we're not opening up the cuticle as well. So it's really important to us that we're respecting the hair's fibre. We've got the beautiful ingredients that are conditioning, adding shine, making it feel and look amazing with our micropigment delivery system as well. I'm going to talk to you about our colour chart. You're going to find everything that you would expect in a colour range on this chart, from our bases that go from a 1 to a 10. In our white hair coverage section on the hub, you will find more information on our bases, because we have two bases. We have our rich naturals, which are equal amounts of red, yellow and blue pigment, but we also have a cool base, which is predominantly blue based. So there's two different varieties on there, but lots more information if you go to our white hair section. You will find everything that you would normally expect, from your mahoganies, your coppers, your ashes, your chocolates, your golds. But I want to bring your attention to our energy series, which are these ones at the bottom here. Within our energy series, there are 4 different shades. But we also have this clear on the end here, which is called OSS. So OSS is a booster. It will get you that one extra shade of lift. So if you have a client that perhaps she's maybe a bit too dark for having Energy Series, but she doesn't want to have a bleach, this is perfect because that's going to get you that one extra shade of lift. Or if you've got a client where you just feel that it just doesn't lift as well as what it should do, that will also give you that Energy Series boost. All of our Energy Series are to be mixed with 40 and you would normally get 4 levels of lift, but with the intensifier, the booster OSS, you are going to be able to get an extra shade of lift. Now on the other side of the chart, there are 3 colours here that I want to talk about. There's 000, which is the same thing. It's a booster. You will get 1 extra shade of lift using this product. And again, the mixing ratio is half and half, equal amounts. So it's great for people that maybe you're lifting them up to a 10 and you've used 40 and they're not quite ready to have a high lift tint. You don't want to lift them that much. This is a great booster that you can add into there. And then there also is 2 other colours at the bottom there. There is the 6000, which is a red intensifier, which you can pop into your coppers, mahoganies or reds. You can go up to half and half of your mixture, but I will say, as you can see, it is quite potent. It is very intense, so beware. How I tend to work it, if I'm using on higher colours like a 10s or a 9s, I'm only using a very small amount, like a mil. Very, very small amounts, because it can be quite overpowering because it's a red intensifier. It's brilliant at really giving your reds a boost if you're looking for that. And then also one of my favourite colours, which is the 410. I absolutely love this colour for so many reasons. Personally, I throw up a lot of unwanted warmth in my hair when I lift, and the 410 really does help to neutralise those unwanted tones. You can use it from a level 1 up to a 9. On your staff room poster, you will find a chart that in a level 1, you can put 9 grams of your 410 in. Onto a level 9, you can only use 1 gram. So it's kind of a sliding scale, but it really does help. If you've got a client that is, just throws up that warmth, wants to have sort of like a neutral colour, it is absolutely perfect. We don't recommend it using over a 10 or in your toners because it will flatten the colour off a little bit too much. If you're wanting to make silvers or greys, I recommend using something like the 10.1 and silver pigments. The 410 will flatten the colour off and make it look a little bit dark. Using the products with the Tone on Tone Creator, you can create any colour into a demi-permanent apart from your Energy Series. Now your Energy Series has a higher ammonia content, and that's because we need to get the hair to lift up the colour chart. You cannot add Tone on Tone Creator into the Energy Series and expect it to make that into a demi-permanent. It's just too much of a higher ammonia content. You can get the same look with a level 10. There is no need to use an 11. On the back of the chart, we've got our mixing ratios for our Tone on Tone Creator, for our Energy Series, and also for our normal colours. We've also got your timings that go along here, and every time you increase your volume of peroxide, your timings increase as well. So your mixing ratios for your normal colours are 1 to 1.5. For your Energy Series, it's 1 to 2. And when you are using Tone on Tone Creator to make into a demi-permanent, it is also 1 to 2.